Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Legend says that this GTR was so iconic since back in the days when the movie was released and still remain popular until today. Is that true? So, with me, it is the 1:60 for scale of that iconic car, Brian's GTR R34, from the Fast and Furious movie, and this one is from Focal Horizon.
All I can see, all the mamas put your thongs up and party with me. On the count of 3, everybody claim where you're from. 1, 2, 3.
I have the Hot Wheels Silver Series ones, but this one has more details. Anyway, let's open the box and take a closer look at it.
Smooth like a Lex truck, mama, you got the next nut. Alright, pick a low in the VIP with 4 fingers in the air, hollering for life. I'm the chico that'll put it down for his people. Get my hands on any and everything, but I always keep my hands clean. Cause Miami's full of dirty money and dirty things. Oh yeah, if you're broke but you're still pimping, drinking, smoking, then say, oh yeah, if you're ballin', buying bottles, then say, oh yeah, mommy. If you're pimping these cats and your ass is fat, then say, oh yeah, papi. If you're willing to fight till you're fucking the night, then say,
yeah, looks like this one uses the C West body. Notice the skirting and the GT wing. Is this the closest to movie accurate of this GTR for 1:60 for scale? Let me know in the comments. I mean, have you ever find better model like this one? Interesting. So, this model is a limited edition, showing here. This is a 372 out of 999.
Asking me if I could get my hands on some vitamin E, and I was like, mommy, hold on. But she must have loved Pop, cause she was grabbing me, telling me, Poppy, picture me rolling. So I pictured it, and it would have been a sight for the blind to see. So I gave it to her for free.
It also comes with the NUS tank inside. Well, just perfect.
If you're ballin', buying bottles, then say, oh yeah.
The hood can be open. Amazing details.
If you're willing to fight till you're fucking the night, then say, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Verse 3, I said it once and I'll say it again.
Let's detach this car and take a look at the scale comparison.
It's good that you got it, cause I got no time to be misunderstood. I don't know if it's the liquor that's got me lit, but damn, mommy's thicker than dick. If you like coke, roll a dollar, snort it up. If you like weed, then you know the routine. Roll that shit, like that shit, smoke that shit, puff, puff.
Amazing, just amazing. More details at the base.
Your ass, but watch yourself, cause messing with me, you might end up in a movie.
And the wheels can roll too. Cool.
Starring you, boo, in the hit movie called Amtrak. So true. Oh yeah, if you're broke but you're still pimping, drinking, smoking, then say, oh.
I think that Focal Horizon did a really good job on making it a movie accurate, as close as possible.
If you're pimping these cats and your ass is fat, then say, oh yeah, papi. If you're willing to fight till you're fucking the night, then say, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Here is the scale comparison with Brian's Silver Series from Hot Wheels. So, it is obvious that Hot Wheels are larger in scale compared to the Focal Horizon. That's because Hot Wheels follows their own standard scale to fit their racetracks, while the Focal Horizon, I think it stays to true 1:60 for scale. Okay guys, that's all for now. I hope you really enjoy my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Take care.